And this is how our little girl wakes up every day. Hi. Hi. It's so good to see you. We missed you last night. Yeah. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? Mama's so happy to see you this morning. I heard you talking to your animals. You talking to your animals? She likes to talk to her animals. Hi. Oh, big yawn. Is it time to get up? Is it time to get up? We love you. Yeah.